Welcome to Changes for a Lifetime, the channel where you will definitely learn something new. It could be a new recipe, plant-based or whole food, a beauty DIY where we make something together, or a garden tip, or a lifestyle hack that will just transform how you've been doing things. So today is going to be a beauty DIY. Forgot to mention, please subscribe. It is really inspiring for me to know that people want to watch. So let's do this. Today, a facial wash. Definitely organic, 100% organic. Only 5 ingredients. We've got aloe vera gel, the inner fillings of it, of the leaf. We've got pure Castile soap unscented. It says 18-in-1 hemp baby unscented, organic. And then we've got 3 essential oils: patchouli, juniper berry, and lavender. So I don't know if you all know it, but patchouli is really for the skin. I took some quick notes. It is for wrinkles, marks, and stretch marks. Patchouli. Then we've got juniper berry, which is for, where do I have juniper berry? Oh, it's a natural cleanser. Don't want to mess that up. A natural cleanser, that's what we're making. And lavender. Lavender is for rashes or skin allergies. So these are the 3 oils we're going to put inside. We've got the aloe vera gel. It's going to be 3 ounces. 3 ounces of the Castile soap. And 6 drops of patchouli, 6 drops of lavender, and 6 drops of juniper berry. And that's going to be our facial wash. We're going to do this. Let's get things mixed up. So I've got my little trusty gauge here. 3 ounces. This is the Castile soap that I'm doing this with now. 3 ounces. Okay, and then 3 ounces of the aloe vera gel. I need to get all the way up to this line here. Aloe is very good for the skin, which we all know. So before you use it each time, you need to shake it up. And then 6 drops of each. We've got lavender, juniper berry, oops, I got an extra drop, that's okay. And then patchouli. Patchouli smells so good, you all. It's kind of woody, it's thick. So it takes a minute for it to drop out. 2. And that's our facial soap, so we have to mix it up. This is the container I keep it in. And just going to shake it up a little bit, everything together. And pour it in. Definitely need a funnel. That makes things a lot easier. There we go. Oh, it smells so good. It's quite soothing too on the skin. And that's it, you all. Our facial cleanser. Use a flip top so that you can just flip it up and put some in your hand. But make sure you shake it with each use so that the oils are dispersed. And that's your facial wash. You can also use it on the body. Facial wash. Made by you, for you. The next thing we're going to make is the toner. Okay, our toner ingredients are 5. Things. We've got the aloe vera gel again. Then we've got witch hazel, All these ingredients, you all, I got online, so I'll put all the links in the description box so you can just order them. So we've got the facial toner, the inner leaf part of the aloe vera plant. Then the oils that we're using are patchouli again for wrinkles, scars, and stretch marks. Then I'm adding myrrh. Myrrh is for cracked skin. It's very healing to the skin. Of course, our face is not cracked, but we want to prevent it from getting there, so we put myrrh in there. Then we have lavender, which is for rashes, itchiness, irritation, or skin allergies, okay? So it's these 3 oils and these 2 ingredients. So there's 4 ounces total liquid, 3 ounces for the witch hazel, 1 ounce of the aloe vera gel, and 4 ounces of each of these oils. Okay, I'm going to repeat that, and I'm going to write it in the description box. 1 ounce aloe vera, 3 ounces witch hazel, and 4 drops of each of the essential oils, patchouli, lavender, and myrrh. And we're about to mix this up right now. Okay, 3 ounces. This is so easy, you all, to make, and a lot of the ingredients are the same. You just made yourself a little kit. I know you can do this. This takes forever. I usually just pour it in. I've gotten so good I can eyeball it, but I'm trying to be precise while I'm on camera. So 3 ounces witch hazel, 1 ounce. There we go. We're already at 4 ounces. My funnel friend. Well, I can see, let me put the drops of oil in. 4 drops of each. This is 4 drops of patchouli. Ooh. This is one of my favorite oils. I think I wear patchouli every day on my skin. This is the myrrh. Oh, I think I got 1 extra. And lavender, 4 drops. Just a little bit. This is our toner. After we cleanse our face, we put the toner on. And then, sometimes throughout the day, I just spray it on because it's so refreshing. And if you want to, you can put it in the refrigerator and just have it for your face, and it's cool. You pump it. You all don't like this toner. So you've made yourself a set. Got your facial wash and your toner. And very unique and just for yourself. Now it's time for the application. So we just made our facial wash and toner. I'm going to show you how I use it. So I have a 3-step. I cleanse with coconut oil. Most of the times I don't use my facial wash, but I know some people don't like not having suds on their face. So that's why I make the facial wash to show you today. And then my next step is the toner that we made today, and then the moisturizer. Those are the steps we're going to do. Okay, so this is the coconut oil that I use. It's just plain virgin coconut oil, just a little bit. So I'm going to be looking at you, and I'll be looking at myself in the mirror. So this is what I use to cleanse my face with most times. So I put the coconut oil all the way out to the ends of my fingertips. Just your hands are your greatest tools. And just put it on all over your lips, everywhere. The oil attracts oil. That's the premise behind using coconut oil, and I find it does. This will clean all of my makeup off you all of it. My little friend here, little sponge, sea sponge, which I use. It's old. I just hand wash it. Then I have this towel, regular thick towel on one side and kind of abrasive on the other. Wipe off this makeup, you all. You always want to try to rub up if you can. Rub up, because you know in due time our face is going to drop, but we're still going to be so beautiful. Yes, we are. This is a unique time to be spending together. You know what I like about this? It gets in all of the crevices. So you could stop right here if you wanted to and just add your toner, because you've almost cleansed your entire face with just coconut oil, right? But some people don't like to use coconut oil. When I first started, I just used to use the facial wash. So that's what we're going to do, because that's what we made today. Shake it up, get all the oils dispersed, right? It only takes a little bit. Most of it's bubbles right now. You see? Put it together. Oh my God, it smells so good, you all. This is the organic facial wash you all made. Nice and soothing. Sorry about this water, but I need it. Hope it's not too loud. Okay. Wipe it off. Right? Coming clean. And you all, this is 100% organic. The oils that you put in, they'll last for a very long time because we're only using a few drops at a time, right? So the face is nice and clean, right? Looks good. Now we're going to use our toner that we made. Remember, shake, 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 shake. Just spray it on. This should be a nice fine mist. And you rub it on. I actually pat mine on until it's dry. Right? But I won't do that with you all here because it does take a little while. But the purpose of the toner is to bring the skin back to its normal pH, normal state. That's what I've read over the years. Nice clear skin, right? So I do use a moisturizer. It's not on the market, but it's coming soon. As soon as it does, I'll let you know. It's by a company called Cole Monet. It's called Glow Love. But you all don't have access to that, so it wouldn't be fair for me to use it right now. So I'll just use a little bit of coconut oil as my moisturizer, just a little bit. You can't even see it really, because coconut oil will go into the skin. But when you use these products, they're really moisturizing in itself. When I say products, I mean the things that we made together today. They're really moisturizing. See how nice the skin looks? And you can go ahead and get ready with your day. So I hope you've learned something. I know you have. Subscribe. Definitely share it with someone who's having skin issues. And enjoy your life. Love on someone. Peace and blessings. Thank you for watching Changes for a Lifetime. I'll see you next Thursday. I like this skin kind of thing routine I'm working. Maybe I'll show you something else. It is really something else. Yeah, I'll do it next week. All right. See you next time. Peace and blessings. Changes for a Lifetime.